Okay, what we want to do in this one is look at selling shares. So we've learned how to buy shares, and this is selling shares. So often people sell shares when they want to liquidate their investment, to liquidate their assets. So they want to get cash. Liquidate just basically means getting cash. Or the other thing that they might want to do is that they might want to cut their losses. So things might be going down and think, oh my goodness, we've got to get out of here. So they cut their losses. Or they might be part of an investment plan. They might be buying and selling at different times during the year, and it might be what they need to do. So there's lots of reasons for selling shares. Okay, let's look at an example here. You want to sell 2,200 AGY shares. They're trading at 36 cents each. It's a brokerage of 2% and a GST of 10% applies. So it's the same as what we did before. There's consideration, brokerage, and GST. Consideration is the number of shares you've got times by 0.36, because we've got 2,200 shares, so times it by their price, which gives us $792. And this comes down into here. Brokerage is 2% of 792, which is 15.84. Remembering on your calculator, it's 0.02. Okay, because you're dividing it by 100 to make it into a decimal. And then 10% of your GST, 1584, which gives you a grand total of $1.58. And then now what you do is you've got to take them away. Okay, it's really important that when you sell your shares, you go your consideration, take away your brokerage, take away your GST. So it's important that you remember that, otherwise you're going to get the wrong answer when you do some other things a bit later on. Okay, so you take away your fees and charges to get your answer of 774.58. Okay, let's have a look at one that's got a fixed fee, same as what we had before. You've got the 7,800 shares there that you've got, 7,890, sorry. You're trading at 426, and brokerage is a flat $70 and GST of 10%. So you go 7,890 times 426 gives you 33611 and 40 cents. That doesn't come down into here because of the fact there's no fee, it's just a flat fee, so it's $70. Once again, it's just a tad unrealistic, and that's 10% times by 70, which gives us 7. Okay, because as a decimal that is 0.1 times by 70. And then what we do, you've got to remember to take away those things. So it's 33,611. Take the 70, take the 7, gives you $33,534.40. So it's the same as buying, same process, but you just take away your fees. For buying, you add your fees. You may want to set your calculator to 2 decimal places, because in reality, everything in these things is done to 2 decimal places because it's all in dollars and cents. Okay, there you go.